Hello, I'm with Minitel Corporation, and today I'll be reviewing the features and basic operation of the Avaya 9508 phones. The 9508 phone has 8 programmable buttons that are used to program call appearances or features. Using the right cursor key on the dial, you can view how the buttons on screen 2 and 3 have been programmed for a total of 24 programmable buttons. There are 4 soft keys below the display which have variable functions. When the key is active, its function is indicated by the text label above the key. There are 3 intercom buttons used to make or receive internal or external calls. Once a call has been made on the phone, the redial option will be displayed on the main menu. Press redial and the list of the last 10 outgoing calls is displayed. Use the up and down cursor key to scroll through the list and press call to dial the number. Underneath the soft keys, the message button with the envelope symbol is your access to the voicemail system. In the middle, the 4 cursor keys allow you to scroll through lists and menus. The phone button is used to exit any menu and return to the phone's normal display. The contact button gives you access to directory entries. Pressing this button first displays a list of all the directory entries. And using the right cursor key, you can scroll to see names stored just for you in your personal directory. And then the external directory, think of these as system speed dial numbers programmed by the administrator. And then the user directory, which are numbers for all the users on the phone system. And finally, the directory for groups on your system. To search a directory, you can use the up and down cursor keys to scroll through the list, or you can start dialing the name of the person you wish to find. The search applies a progressive match as you add additional characters and the possible matches are displayed. Once the number has been found, press the call key to dial. If you wish to save personal contacts, go to the personal directory, press New to add the name and number. Use the Home button to adjust settings for your phone's display, sounds, and language. From the screens and sounds, you can change the brightness level, the contrast, the phone's ringtone, and turn the button clicks on or off. The Call History button gives you access to your call history. If you have missed any calls, the button is illuminated and the call log will open showing your missed calls first. Otherwise, when you press Call History, you will first see All, a list of all the entries. Then, using the right cursor key, you can view the missed, incoming, and outgoing call histories. The Details soft key will show the individual details for the selected record, which include the name and number of the caller, if they are available, a count of the same number dialed, and the time, date, and duration of the call. The Call soft key can be used to call the number for the selected record. You can add a contact's detail to your personal directory from the call log. When you are viewing the details, press More and press the plus contact key. You can then edit the name and number if needed before pressing the Save key. When a call is ringing on your phone, you are presented with soft key options of Answer, to Voicemail, Ignore, and Drop. Pressing to Voicemail or Drop will divert the call directly to your mailbox, and pressing Ignore will stop the ringing on your phone. Once you have an active call, the Hold, Conference, Transfer, and Dropped options are displayed on the soft keys. To put a call on hold, press the Hold soft key. The held call is now indicated by the flashing green lamp on the intercom button. To take the call off hold, press the flashing button. When on a call, you can put the active call on hold by pressing another intercom button if you wish to make another call or answer a second call. To toggle between calls, press the flashing intercom buttons and the current call is placed on hold and the other call resumes. Using the hold feature puts the call on a personal hold. To put the call on a system hold for any user on the system to pick up, you will use the Call Park feature. When on a call, press the Call Park button and note the number that is displayed on the screen and press the Exit soft key. To pick up the parked call, dial the Call Park location number to be connected to the call. To transfer a call to another user, press the Transfer soft key. The call is automatically put on hold while you dial the number for the transfer. There are 2 types of transfer: Transferring while the call is ringing is called unsupervised. Press transfer, dial the number, and press complete or hang up to complete the transfer. The second transfer type is a supervised transfer, which gives you an opportunity to announce the caller first before completing the transfer. Press transfer, dial the number, and after the call is answered, press complete to complete the transfer. If the person does not answer or wish to accept the call, press the cancel soft key. To transfer a caller directly to the voicemail mailbox of another user, press the message button. You are still connected to the caller and can continue talking. Dial the extension number of the person you wish to transfer the call to and press the select soft key. When on a call, you can create a conference call by pressing the conference soft key, which will put the first party on hold while you call the next party. After they answer and agree to join the call, press the conference soft key again to join all three parties. If they do not answer or wish to join the call, press drop and then press the flashing intercom key of the held call to reconnect to that call. An incoming call can be added to the conference by answering the ringing line and pressing the conference soft key. To make an overhead page announcement from your phone, press the page button and then enter the zone number. After the announcement, press the drop soft key to end the page. To place an intercom call to another phone on the system, press the voice call button or pound on your phone, followed by the extension number. The receiving phone will hear 3 beeps to indicate there's an active call on the phone, and the speaker button is lit to indicate it is active. Office calling room 348. The headset button is used to answer and end calls using the headset connected to the phone. The speaker button can be used to answer and end calls using the hands-free speaker and microphone. If pressed during a call using the handset, the speakerphone is activated and the handset can be hung up without disconnecting the call. The volume bar uses the plus or minus to adjust the volume. There are volume levels for the ringer, and when on a call, it adjusts the volume on the handset, headset, or speaker, depending on what is being used. Volume levels are saved independently from each other. The mute key is used to mute your microphone so the caller cannot hear you, though you can still hear them. The button is lit red when mute is active. The message button is a way to access your voicemail. Visual voicemail prompts will be shown on the display. When the ring indicator is lit solid red, this indicates a new voicemail message in your mailbox. To access your visual voicemail mailbox, press the message button, enter your passcode, and press done. Listen will show you the new, old, and saved message counts for your mailbox. Select Listen or Attendance, then use the up and down arrows to select the message. Press play to listen, and you can then call back or use the More button to save, delete, and forward the message. The message option allows you to record a message for a single or multiple mailboxes. To record or change the mailbox greeting, select the greeting option. When ready to record, press record and it will immediately start to record, and then press stop to finish. You can then listen to the recording and submit to save. To change your passcode, select the passcode option. Enter your current passcode and done, and then your new passcode and save. It is important to record your name in the mailbox so the voicemail system directory search function will work. Also, your recorded name can be included in the generic mailbox greeting if a personal greeting is not recorded. To record your mailbox name, use the arrows to select the name option. Follow the prompts to record to begin recording, and then press stop to finish. Gail, extension 302.
Gail, extension 302.
You can then listen to the recording and press submit to save.